Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this hiker boots by Timberland Pro. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I did receive $75 voucher for my job. Thank you. Okay, all right. I purchased this from Granger. I think it's Granger.com. Originally, the price for this was $124.82. But now I'm looking at the website. It went up. It went up to $142.87. So I guess inflation has something to do with it. That's a big jump. By the way, I don't work for Granger. I did apply, but you guys didn't hire me. It's cool. It's cool. Anyway, on to the unboxing. Kids, do not play with knives. Please do not play with knives. All right. So we have our receipt here. Subtotal of $124.82. They charged me tax of $11.08. I purchased this July 21st, 2021. Like I said, I have a few things that I purchased. I just don't have time to unbox it because of my schedule, because of work, and I'm trying to build a brand. Bear with me, and I'm gonna keep it going. And like I said, I'll usually upload twice a week or even once a week, but definitely on a Wednesday and on a Sunday. So let's focus on this Timberland boots here. This version is called Mudslinger. I'm usually 9.5 just to make sure I purchase size 10. All right, so it has a marketing material here. Timberland Pro. So this is steel safety toe waterproof membrane. Breathable membrane helps protect from diseases caused by bloodborne pathogens. Electrical hazard protection provides secondary underfoot protection. Rubber outsoles. Heat resistant durable rubber compound offers slip, oil, and abrasion resistance. That's cool. That's cool. I like it. Mutilation free nylon, plastic, or hidden eyelets reduce the chances of marking or scratching surfaces. Antimicrobial odor control treatment to help prevent and control odors. Timberland Pro 24/7 comfort system that helps reduce foot fatigue, supports the arch, and cushions every step. It's great. This is my first steel toe, by the way. The one I had, which is the drivetrain by Timberland Pro, is only a composite safety toe. Man, it's quite heavy, man. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Pretty heavy, y'all. And it's thick. Thick. Wow. Okay. So off the bat, my impression is like is like well protected. it feels insulated too. Okay. Now I'm observing the stitches. Stitches, no threads are loose. Okay. Steel toe. And as I observe the bottom here, the traction, it looks like it's well built. It has the Timberland Pro on the bottom. It says propel, flex. So Timberland steel toe right here. The marketing trademark brand here. Okay. I don't know if this is reflective or not. It doesn't say. It does not say. I like it, man. From the feels of it, it's top notch, high quality. All right. Let's check out the insoles. The insoles is compared to my last one is a little thicker. This one is a little thicker. It's a little harder as well. Orange. It's like when you squeeze it, it's like you gotta really put some pressure on it. The ones I had before is like soft. It feels like gel almost, but this one is like hard foam. But this is well made, man. I kind of like it. I'm gonna wear it and show y'all how it looks in a few. Wow. So the other has waterproof membrane. I think you could definitely use this for hiking. Definitely hiking, camping, uh, mountain climbing. Definitely, cause look at the traction on that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. See? Definitely. You could definitely use this. Man, I don't see any flaws on it, man. It's a little heavy though. Little heavy on the side. I'm gonna wait it though. Let me wait it. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Got my little scale here. Put this down real quick. This weighs 1 pound and 5 ounces. So a pair weighs 2 pounds and 11 ounces. So it's quite heavy, man. 1 pound and 5 ounces. That's pretty heavy, man. Pretty heavy. Okay. All right. The boots is on. The boots is on. First impression, man. I like it, man. Solid. It doesn't feel bulky. It feels right on, It's not like a average all leather boots. It feels like, it hugs my feet, man. I'm pretty impressed because I feel cushion. Inside, I feel cushion here, which is very important. Cushion here. I feel cushion on the side. The grip, the traction feels okay. Feels great. No complaints. I think this is top notch from Timberland Pro. I'm impressed with it. Like, I don't even feel I have a steel toe boots on. I think also you could also use this for more than working. The sole is pretty thick. I don't feel like I'm wearing a platform shoes or anything, but it doesn't feel like a boot, which is good. It doesn't look like working boots. It feels like a regular winter boots, if you ask me. It fits right in my all black outfit here. So final thoughts, comfy, very comfy. Comfortable. I didn't feel nothing. I felt like my feet are secure. For the price point, as of now, I think it's 140 plus. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it, man. I have nothing negative to say about this boots. All right, this is the sides. Is the back. Looks on the back right here. Boom. Boom. Sides. Front. Timberland Pro did good with this one. So if you got any questions and if you're interested in this boot, just comment, man. Comment, and get the likes up for me, all right? I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. So yeah, there you have it. Mudslinger by Timberland Pro. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, once again, check out the brand DOSOS at www.dosos.clothing. We have Kunek, the Hello World. That's our latest merch. Check it out. It's pretty comfy. It's pretty warm. Winter is upon us. Check it out at www.dosos.clothing. Thank you. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.